How to survive a zombie apocalypse. Not a video game, not a movie. This is survival. When the dead walk, the living panic, and civilization collapses like wet cardboard. Forget shotguns and chainsaws. We're talking real survival science. Here's the truth. Most people won't get eaten. They'll trip, panic, or suffocate in a closet while live streaming their own death. Rule 1. Breathe. Rule 2. Move. Zombies are slow. Panic makes you slower. Your brain is your weapon. If you lose that, you're already one of them. You don't need a fortress. You need a place zombies can't smell, hear, or stumble into. Abandoned warehouses, basements, rooftops. Avoid malls, hospitals, or police stations. That's where everyone else runs, and they bring zombies with them. Seal doors with junk. Block stairs with furniture. Make noise traps, cans on strings, glass on the floor. If you can hear them before they hear you, you're ahead. Forget fresh food. Eat what's dying first. The fridge is a ticking bomb. Move to cans, grains, dry goods, salt, nuts, honey. They don't rot, and neither will you. Water is trickier. Tap pressure dies fast. Drain pipes, heaters, toilet tanks. Purify with boiling or filters made from charcoal and cloth. Dirty water equals zombie diarrhea. Don't test it. Forget the Hollywood arsenal. Guns run out of bullets. Chainsaws run out of gas. Use physics. Blunt weapons, long reach. Crowbars, pipes, hammers. Silent, reusable, unbreakable. Aim for the brainstem, not the chest. Zombies don't care about punctured lungs. They don't breathe, remember? One solid hit to the head equals lights out. Again. Stay quiet, stay light. Cars make noise. Crowds draw attention. If you must travel, bikes beat cars. Silent, no gas, fast enough to leave the dead stumbling behind. Map routes with backup paths. Never go into tunnels or dead ends. Zombies don't get tired. You do. Alone, you'll die fast. Groups attract more zombies. Best option? 2 to 4 people. Small enough to hide, big enough to fight. Choose survivors who act, not panic. Ditch anyone who screams at shadows. Survival is cruel math. Zombies aren't the real apocalypse. Panic, thirst, hunger, stupidity, those kill faster. So how do you survive the zombie apocalypse? By remembering it's not about being the strongest or fastest. It's about being smart enough to not join the dead.